My name is Guyanadin Livingston III, son of Leon and Maya Livingston. My father, now gone for 5 years, gone into the webways, don't know where. He was a great explorer. He used to tell me stories about the wonders out there. I, of course, joined the army, served in Africa. That was the last of it. Maya Livingston, my mother, I don't know what happened to her. I don't know what happened to anyone on earth. There we were, camping. You came across this massive storm, this strange thing. We all stumbled around. I could hear the screams of my comrades. And there I was, alone in a cave, facing the dangers. It's been strange times. I came across a creature. His name is Puck, a fae, he says. Robin to some. I don't know if I trust him. But here I am, exploring the unknown. Building myself an abode, finding a friend, Millie. She's quite a character. I call her Millie the Shank, or Millie the Maul. Well, it's pretty self-evident. She can handle herself. It is good to have a friend in these strange places. It's certainly an odd pairing. I have explored all the dangers of this island. Creatures such as wolves are probably just hungry. It's their native environment, and I'm just a trespasser. And then you have the giant spiders. Well, they make my skin crawl. They're not the worst. It's these creatures, these men-like creatures, twisted by magic and whatever odd nature. Or find them in the ruins. They come upon us. I certainly did not pick that fight. I'm distressed, to be the least. I am in search of a way out of here, to get to Nightingale, this mythical city beyond the Wedways. Before the collapse, it was the wonder of a new universe, a new understanding, where we had traveled into the realms of the Fae. It's not always a cordial trip or travel. I was being trained to be a company of men that would safeguard explorers in this unknown realm. But that's all in the past now. Now I'm clawing myself into a new existing and try so desperately to survive. Me and Millie. It is an odd pairing indeed. We've seen things, explored things. This island is an emerald heaven of ruins and wonders. I am amazed when I come across the architecture, so manlike and yet so strange. I don't know who lived here and how long ago. Everything seems so lost and decayed. Yet, under the azure sky, the dotted clouds, the emerald green trees, the landscapes, the wolves, you have to wonder, has it always been like this? Are we as travelers in a long-lost empire? The oddities of puzzles, the strangeness, these auditory cues, the weird happenings. You explore them, you don't know exactly what they will give you, provide you. And sometimes they find you danger. all the dangers. Makes my soul crawl so fierce, so sudden. You can go from the most marvelous of green days with nothing but birds and deer springing by, and then you're ambushed by these things, these growling, beastly things. I don't know who they are, where they came from, but I aim to discover. And of course, in my travels, Millie and I, we're just gonna have to figure out better ways to defend ourselves as we explore these ruins and try to find out where we are. I know there's a way out of here. I know we can reach Nightingale. Oh, they say that it's impossible, but I know there's a way. I have the tenacity of my father, and my strong will and curiosity of my mother. One day, we will find ourselves out of here. I don't know how, I don't know when, but there's something in my soul that's yearning for that moment, to explore new things, to find secrets hidden. But there are those creatures. These are but mere pups. They're easy to defang. But I know there's worse things out there. Things that make your skin crawl. There's an odd sensation about acceleration, fear that's creeping into my soul. All my training, all the things that I have learned, I try to lean into it. I try to grab it, all the fortitude. But there is a realization. Am I enough? What is the shape of a man? What is he made of? Not just man, I don't want to be that person. A human. What is it that drives us? What is the shape of us? What are we capable of? When we explore these caves, these wonders. There's a fear in my soul that I will be lost here, like my father. I don't know where I am. I ask myself this: what is the shape of me? What can I do? Where can I go? What can I be? What's the shape of a man? What is he capable of? Well, I'm about to find out. I found this mausoleum of men, this massive building, torches burning. And I know there's an answer there, a tiny answer, an ember of an answer. And I will find out shortly.